Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need power and a repeatable approach. Start with explosive training and precise ball handling. Do a warm-up, then run your 3-5-step approach at game speed. Once done, practice a controlled toss and catch at chest height while sprinting to ingrained timing. Make sure to mark your launch foot location 1-2 feet from the rim arc so you know where to plant. This early focus on strength, approach consistency, and ball security sets up the jump that follows. You must convert run momentum into vertical lift. Plant hard and drive the knee upward while pushing off the balls of both feet. Pull the ball to your forehead with elbows up so you create a direct line to the rim and prevent strips. Once you're airborne, tuck the non-shooting arm for balance and extend the dunking arm aggressively. Make sure to time the jump to the defender's rise. A slight shoulder lean or a front footstep can open the gap for the poster attempt. You finish by attacking the rim, extend fully, snap your wrist, and aim for the rim center to maximize clearance. Once the ball is through or secured, prepare to land by bending both knees to absorb force and immediately scan for teammates or opponents. If you miss or get blocked, analyze why. Add 1 or 2 inches to your lift with stronger knee drive, change your release side to avoid the defender's timing, or sell a fake on the approach to.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.